Seoul, South Korea. I'm Junghee from Hello K Cooking Class. Today we are making Dakgalbi. Dak is chicken, galbi. Well, you've heard about this name of food, right? Junghee, I know the name. I know the galbi. I have experience of it. Probably you tried pork galbi or beef galbi. But this one is with chicken and the flavor is totally different. Galbi has two different meanings. One is rib. The other meaning is marinade. So this one is marinade chicken with ta-da! Gochujang. So hey guys, let's get started. We need to talk about our ingredients, right? I prepared chicken thigh and without bone, but you can prepare chicken breast and any other chicken part. Yeah, chicken. And this is gochujang, and which is fermented chili paste. With this one, we can make tteokbokki, 닭강정, a lot of things. The Korean flavor. And you know, it's not super spicy, just a little bit of kick. This one is rice syrup. You can use oligosaccharide or honey. Even sugar would be lovely. Sesame oil and soy sauce and roasted sesame seed and pepper and you know, soybean oil as our cooking oil. And chili powder, minced garlic. Okay, so curry powder and the veggie things. Spring onion, 1 onion, cabbages, and this one. If you go to Korean barbecue place in your country, probably you can try this one. So look at this leaf. Have you seen this one before? This one is Perilla leaf. It has really strong smell and flavor, quite minty. A lot of Koreans love this one. So like Korean version of coriander. Well, if you're really hard to find this one, you can skip it. Yeah, that's all. So we need to make sauce to marinate this chicken. Let's cut veggie first. I need to wear the gloves. So I'm gonna cut cabbages. Let's cut as a 1 bite size. Like, please do not cut as a really small size because after cooking it can be really soft. If you cut as a really small size, it can be disappear. And then let's move it. And let's move. And spring onion. Nice. So the cabbage was like around 150 grams. And this spring onion was around like 30 grams. And onion. Onion, of course, as a 1 bite size. Let's make it half. Oh my god, I love this leaf. So I'm adding a lot. Let's get rid of this part and let's make it roll. And this one around like 10 leaves. Slice. Yeah, so I will add it. So veggies are ready. So it's time to make sauce. So let's add 1 flat spoon of chili powder. If you're afraid of having spicy food, you can just add half. And this one is curry powder. I'm using Korean curry powder, but you know, you can use any, you know, different countries curry powder. But I really recommend without coconut flavored thing. Yeah, I'm adding 1 big tablespoon of curry powder. Oh, it smells really good. 1 dash of pepper, half spoon of sesame oil, and 1 spoon of minced garlic. I love garlic, so I'm adding a little bit more. Then soy sauce, 1 spoon of soy sauce. This was rice syrup, right? So you can add half spoon of sugar, or let's add 1 spoon of rice syrup. Let's add 1 spoon of, like not mountainful, like around this, of gochujang, which is chili paste. And let's add. Then mix. So after mixing this, I will check the flavor. So if you need more saltiness or sweetness, we can add more, right? Smells already really good. I want just a little bit of try. Well, I prepared a really spicy chili powder, so it's quite spicy. It's really tasty. But if you add not spicy chili powder, this one is not really spicy, so don't worry about it. So the chicken, I prepared 400 grams of the chicken thigh and move it and everything. And mix. 400 grams of meat with this amount of veggie. After cooking this, probably like perfect for the 2-person. So already smell is really good. And let's add all the veggie. Cabbage, onion, spring onion, and mix again. You can just like roughly mix. Hey guys, I add all of it except this perilla leaf. I will add this one, it's like halfway of cooking. Because if we add right now, it can be really smooth texture. So this amazing flavor can be easily gone. So we're all ready. I'm gonna give you one tip. You can prepare this one, right? And if you want to cook this one maybe next week, you can just put into the freezer. Then for the day you want to cook, you can just cook it. It's quite easy, right? And also, you can just leave for 30 minutes. Then you can get, really great flavor. So let's leave it for 30 minutes. Ta-da! So I'm back. Let's cook. So to cook this chicken, there are several tips. So you need to add enough oil. And let's turn it on with fire. Not high max fire, okay? So weak fire. Add enough oil. When the oil and pan is ready, let's add everything. Put everything. Ooh. This one is the original version of Dakgalbi. But for the young generation, the Dakgalbi restaurant offer the cheese. So young people try this one with cheese. That's like new version of Dakgalbi. Believe it or not, Korean food with cheese combination is quite good. Because basically Korean food is, like spicy, right? So spicy food with cheese is amazing. Then, let's cover the lid. I will check it maybe 10 minutes later. So I'm checking out. So let's open the lid and look at it. I didn't add any water, right? But from the veggie and from the meat, all like watery things, comes out. So it's quite watery. Colored pretty. It smells really good. And now I'm adding perilla leaf. If you go to Dakgalbi restaurant, there are lots of, like different topping you can choose. Like you can add noodle, you can add rice cake, sweet potato with like ham. So it's quite changeable food. This one is like super classic original way. It looks really great. But we have to leave a little bit more until chicken cooked perfectly. Cover the lid. The sauce is getting thicker and thicker, and like color is getting darker and darker. So with scissors, I'm cutting this chicken as one bite. Oh my god, so soft. So chicken is cooked actually. Okay, so still quite soupy, right? So now let's make it high max fire. And then these soup things, let's make it dry. We need to keep stirring it. All the sauce will, soak. So not to burn, you have to keep stirring it. So it's nearly done. Oh my god, look at it. I think it's done. Hey guys, it's done. Normally Korean eat, this kind of main dishes with rice, right? But this time with Dakgalbi, we don't, well, of course we eat like that, but there is one more special way of eating. How? I will explain later. So there is a secret, the way of eating. of Dakgalbi. So hey guys, see you next time. Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time. Bye bye. My favorite part of taking this video, eating time. Look at this beautiful color. Okay. And hey guys, I'm letting you know how to eat this galbi. One perilla leaf, lettuce leaf. Let's add meat, veggie. The sauce is already perfect, so I don't need to add anything. So let's make it red, like Korean version of taco, right? Cheers, guys. It's really good. And secret recipe. Hey guys, when you nearly finish this dakgalbi, it's the time of eating 볶음밥. 볶음밥 is fried rice. A lot of, my foreign friends told me, what? You just finished a lot of dakgalbi and you are eating again? We haven't, had any rice yet, right? Rest of sauce with, the veggie and a little bit of chicken. And let's turn it on. And add the rice. And add just a little bit of seaweed. If you cook this one at home, you can make it like that. If you go to Korean dakgalbi restaurant, you can order extra fried rice after finishing your dakgalbi. And make it fried rice. Oh my god, this one is my favorite, the part of eating dakgalbi. Let's turn it on to the high-max wire and then hit lid. Make this dry. It's done. I'm gonna make a hearty shape. Ugly heart. Yeah. Then let's add just a little bit of sesame oil. Woo! And sesame seed. With spoon. Please try it like this.